All right, so today we're going to be talking about pull-ups. You want to do pull-ups, and I want to teach you how. So let's break it down. Essentially, here at General Fitness Company, what we do is we take down the complicated exercises and we shrink them down to very basic elements that'll help you get to the big picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the pull-up and we're going to think about what muscles that you need to strengthen to do a pull-up. All right, so that would mean what muscles are you using to actually execute a pull-up. All right, so essentially you're going to be using your shoulders and your biceps. All right, you're going to be using your biceps, front of your arm. You're going to be using the rear delts, all right, to stabilize your shoulder, your lats, that's going to help you pull yourself up. And of course, the things that keep you upright are going to be your rhomboids and your levator scapulae. All right, so a lot of big words just to say your shoulder and your bicep. All right, so what we're going to do first here is we're going to show you a couple exercises that can help you get into that pull-up on the pull-up bar. These are versions of a pull-up that you can do on a TRX, but they're great because they help you strengthen the muscles that you need so that you can do a pull-up on a pull-up bar. So first we're going to do is what's called an Australian pull-up. Now as you see here, you have my back, I have my back parallel to the floor. Now my back is parallel to the floor because what we want to do first is we want to strengthen those muscles that are going to help you with your posture. Here on this particular exercise, we're working your rhomboids, you're working your levator scapulae, you're working all the muscles that are directly next to your spine, all right? All those muscles that are right next to your spine, those muscles that kind of keep your shoulder blades back, and those muscles that help prevent your forward shoulder posture. You see a lot of people that do pull-ups in the bar, they end up getting forward shoulder posture because they haven't done enough to actually strengthen their shoulders in between. You know, they have overdeveloped lats, meaning that their shoulders wing out, and that makes your shoulders roll forward. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to prevent that. We're trying to strengthen those muscles in between your shoulder blades so that keeps those shoulders from rotating forward and impinging on your shoulders. We'll talk about shoulder impingement on another video. But up next, we have what's called a basic pull-up on a TRX. So we just went from 1 to 2. Now, as you see here on this video, I actually decided to show off a little bit. This is actually what your base is, pretty similar to a pull-up on a pull-up bar. Only difference is it's actually a little bit harder because as you can see here, TRX is not like a bar, it moves. So it's actually a little bit tougher. But one step down from there would be with your feet on the ground. You can actually do it with your feet bent or your knees bent, or you can do a straight leg. Knees bent obviously is going to be a little bit easier. Straight leg is going to be a little bit tougher. And of course, final would be the one that you saw earlier with your feet coming all the way off the ground. All right, so that's essentially what gets you to the actual pull-up on the pull-up bar. Thanks again for watching and listening. If you have any questions and comments about this video or any other videos on our page, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Now, if you're looking to get in better shape, well, you can check us out at generalfitnesscompany.com where we have a 2-week free online training program. Also, if you're looking to get more videos, well, click on that subscribe button down below. You'll be notified every week when we release a new video. Thanks again, and as always, keep good company.